you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils.
And when you mix red and blue, you get purple.
If you eat too much candy, your teeth get cavities.
If I eat too much candy, I will bounce off the walls like a rocket.
If you study tonight, you will pass the test tomorrow.
And when I finish my homework, I'm going to feel proud.
Zero conditional is for facts.
First conditional is for the future.
If you drop ice in the sun, it melts. Zero, fact. If you drop your phone, it will break. First, future possibility.